Hey guys, Matthew Byers here from Six Figure Ecom Academy, and welcome to the first section of our Google Shopping course. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to need to set up your Google AdWords account. So that's what this video will be about, setting up your account, okay? So you notice here, it says the website is adwords.google.com, okay? So just go to adwords.google.com, and it's going to take you to this front, actually it takes you to a main screen, and you just click on Sign Up. Once you click on Sign Up, it'll take you to this screen. And you want to make sure that you put your email address in right here. So the name of our store is I Am the Most Amazing. And it's going to ask what our website is. And our website is IamTheMostAmazing.myshopify.com. But actually what we're going to do is skip the guided setup. Because if you just put that regular information in, it takes you to set up Google Express, okay? We don't want a Google Express account. We want to make sure we set up a regular Google AdWords account. So we're going to go ahead and skip the guided setup and put your email address here. We're going to go ahead and put it in. It's IamTheMostAmazing83@gmail.com. Now we're going to go ahead and click on Save Continue. We put in the United States. We're in Pacific Standard Time. So we'll go ahead and go to the next screen here. Okay, guys, so once you have completed all that, okay, it takes you right here into this main screen here, okay? So this is where you're going to set up your new campaign, change your settings, and analyze your data, all that good stuff, okay? Now notice here in the top right, you see a 10-digit code. This is your Google AdWords account number, so this is important to know, but this is gonna be in the top right-hand side every time, okay? So really, it's as simple as that, setting it up. Now, what you're going to need to do is set up your billing, okay? So what you want to do is go here to Tools. And once you click on Tools, go to Billing and Payments. So once you go in here, you're going to go ahead and put in your account information. So your business name, say, I am the most amazing. You can go ahead and put your name, your address in there. And then you're going to want to add a credit card number, okay? So put in your credit card number, the expiration date, the CVC, and then you're going to click here on I agree, and then you're going to go ahead and click Submit, okay? So simple as that. We're not going to put any information in right now. Just wanted to walk you through that again, but just make sure you go to Tools, Billing, and then go ahead and put in your information here, put in a credit card number that you'll be paying your Google AdWords account with, and then you're done, okay? Now, what you want to do after you have set up your billing and payments is you want to set up your Google Merchant Center account, okay? So we'll go ahead and go into the next video, and we'll show you how to set up a Google Merchant account and link them together. All right, we'll see you in the next video, guys.